I made my own plant-based protein powder mix, and I think you should too. And here's why. Most plant-based protein powders that you buy in the store have a primary ingredient of pea protein. And there's a sneaky ingredient that comes along with pea protein that you may not be aware of, and this mix fixes that. Hi, I'm Marley. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. Today we're going to be making my plant-based protein powder mix. I'm so excited to be sharing this recipe with you. Let's get started. This is chocolate plant-based protein powder. I absolutely love this stuff. You can buy it at most stores. You can use your favorite, whatever it is. This happens to be Sprouts. I'm really happy with theirs. It's third-party tested. It's also very affordable. What I don't like about store-bought protein powder is it's mostly pea protein, and that's great, except that there's a couple of problems with pea protein, and that is one, it is a complete amino acid. It's like a complete protein. However, it is low in a couple of areas, and a couple of amino acids that it's low in is what I'm trying to say. Also, the way that they extract the pea protein from, a pea is that they use a sodium mixture, and that sodium stays with the product. So you'll find when you look at the nutrients for most plant-based protein powders is it's very high in sodium. In fact, this one has 390 milligrams of sodium per scoop. If you look at whey protein powder, they're closer to 100, maybe even less of sodium per scoop. So this mixture solves this problem. I'm going to show you more about that in a minute. But first, what you'll need is 1 cup of your favorite plant-based protein powder. My second favorite ingredient is brown rice protein powder. I buy this on Amazon. I'm going to leave the links for all of these products in the show notes. But what I wanted to show, one reason I really love brown rice protein powder is that it is kind of like, you complete me, that line in the movie. That's what brown rice protein does for pea protein, because it is rich in the 2 amino acids that that pea protein is a little bit weak in. So the two together is very nice. But what's also nice is the way that they extract the protein from brown rice protein, 0 sodium. So the two together kind of balances out the sodium a little bit. So for every 1 cup of your store-bought plant-based protein powder, you'll use 1/2 cup of brown rice protein powder. Now, I wasn't done completely because I wanted to add a few more ingredients. I really like mixing up my protein powders. I don't want to just have pea protein powder all the time. I like to mix it up and kind of vary the diet a little bit. And one of my favorite ingredients is hemp seeds, and this is hemp seed protein powder. And I'm using 2 tablespoons, and it's a wonderful source of ingredients that maybe the other 2 protein powders don't have so much of. It has a little bit of magnesium, it has a little bit of zinc, just some things that just makes it a more complete nutritional protein powder. 2 tablespoons of hemp seed protein powder. And then finally, what I have here is pumpkin seed protein powder. I absolutely love the beautiful color. It's very colorful, and what I also love about it is it's nice and creamy, believe it or not. And some complaints I oftentimes see about protein powders, plant-based protein powders, is that they're a little bit on the grainy side. Let me tell you, pumpkin seed protein powder is very smooth. And so I feel like it kind of solves that problem of plant-based protein powders being too grainy. It fixes that a little bit. I mean, there's still a little bit of graininess left, but it really does a lot to solve that. So I use 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seed protein powder. Now, because we have basically, if you look at it, we have diluted the cocoa of the chocolate plant-based protein powder. So I like to add a tablespoon of cocoa powder, and this is a very generous tablespoon, just to bring back that chocolate flavor profile. And then we're just going to stir this all together. I hope you love this plant-based protein powder mix as much as we do. Leave a comment and let me know what has been your issue with plant-based protein powders in the past. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen. I love it that you're here with me. Until next time.